So here's a fun one that was suggested over on my Facebook page. Today let's take a look at the song Kids by Robbie Williams and Kylie Minogue, drummed by Chris Sharrock. Here's some of the stuff that's coming up. So written at the top of the PDF chart here, most of these parts are programmed. So this is just my interpretation. And what I really should have said is pretty much all of these parts are programmed. Even though this sounds like there's some acoustic drums going on, according to Wiki, this was a programmed part. And so some of the parts are basically impossible for one drummer to be able to play because of all the effects and the overdubs and the percussion that's added over the top, especially during the verses. During the choruses, you can pretty much get away with making it sound almost exactly like the recording, but during the verses, as we're going to see, it's sort of a little bit of interpretation on my part as to how to make it sound most like the recording and also realistic for one drummer to play. So you can download the PDF from our website. You can get both pages for free. There's a link beneath this video. And what I've got for you today is the verse drum beat, the chorus drum beat, and then four of the big drum fills in the song. And with all that information put together, you've got enough to be able to play the whole song. So let's start with my, which is what I think the most interpreted part on my behalf, and that's the verse, which comes in 11 seconds. And without the hi-hat part being accented, we've got this basic bass drum and snare drum parts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. What's the tempo? 3 and 4 and. Now to add some of the effects on the top, and what I'm hearing most of all that's happening are these accents on the ands of each beat, and then the open hi-hat on the and of beat 3. So in order to replicate most like the recording, we play this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. If you wanted to, you could just leave out the hi-hat notes falling on the downbeats and just play the accents. If you find that easier. And then the final thing to do perhaps would be to play what I've just showed you, what I've got written there, and then perhaps add in some ghost notes. Make it sound a little bit busier, because that sounds more like the verse drum beat, because as I said, all the percussion and the effects being added over the top. But basically you got this, and for one drummer, and without making it too complicated, that's really what I'm hearing most on the recording. So now let me play for you that drum part without the microphone on, so you can hear just the drums without me yakking on over the top. Here we go. So then we go into our first chorus at 50 seconds, and we lead into it with this really cool linear style drum fill. This was a lot of fun to play. We come from the verse, 1 and 2 and, up to that point. Then we're going to come down to the snare drum and play this line of 16th notes, and a 3, and a 3E and a 3E and a 4, and a 3E and a 4E and a. So we roll down the toms at the end there. 1 and 2 and a 3E and a 4E and a. And on the recording, you don't really hear a crash. You just go straight to the programmed open hi-hat, but you could put a crash in there as well. we're going to go into the chorus drum beat, which is the same as the verse drum beat, except much simpler. And this is how you can really replicate the chorus note for note. Just play loose hi-hat. So we get this exactly the same bass drum and snare drum pattern as the verse. So we go from and I went straight to the open hi-hat there after the drum fill. But you could do a crash instead. So that bar gets played 7 times, and then the 8th time we come out into the next verse with this drum fill. So we get 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. So the drum beat's exactly the same. The drum fill part really starts on the of beat 3, 3 and a 4 and. So 1 and 2, a 3 and a 4 and 1, and then we go into a crash where we go back to the verse. So we've gone from 1 and 2, a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I tried to mess up too much when you go back to the verse like I did there. Alright, so let me now play for you all, what would it be, 8, 9 bars of that section up to speed. Okay, so that also wanted to include some of these unique drum fills that occur. And so the first one that the next one that I've notated that occurs at 2:13. It's coming out of the second chorus, I believe. So we've got the chorus drum beat. And it's exactly the same as except we don't leave a space. So we get a 4E, the E there is added as well, a 4E and left, right. So back to the verse. Let me now play for you that a couple of times up to speed. And then the final drum fill I want to show for you occurs at 3:36, coming out of the very last chorus. And this probably one is the most interpreted because there's like effects being played that sound like toms or bass drums or snare drums, and it's kind of hard to decide what would replicate it. But I came up with this cool lick. Again, another linear style drum fill, which I think sounds most like the recording. It's also a hell of a lot of fun to play. Sounds very cool. So we get this 1 and 2, a 3, and a surprise snare drum on beat 3 there. 1 and 2, a 3. We're then going to go into 3E and 3E and then 4, open hi-hat on its own, 3E and 4, then straight up to the high tom, or you could use the floor tom, whatever you like. So 4E and, simple as that. So 3E and 4E and, 3E and 4E and. Put it all together, we get 1 and 2, 3E and 4E and. Then we're going to go to the outro bit. Really good fun to play that. So let me now play that a couple of times for you. So there you go, that's the whole song. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions, feel free to email me, rob@drumstheword.com. Don't forget to download the free PDF on my website. Again, the link is beneath this video. And then while you're over there, you might want to consider signing up to become an online member over at the website if you haven't done so already. And what I currently offer for £97 is a full year's online access to every single full video song lesson I've ever recorded and transcribed, where unlike this lesson, I teach you the song from start to finish. Every single beat, fill, and bar is included. You get the fully transcribed PDF drum chart. And I've got at least one other Robbie Williams song up on the website. Have I got any Kylie Minogue? Probably not, but maybe we'll add some Kylie in the future. As a thank you for signing up, I give you access to 3 ebooks I've written over the years containing hundreds of famous drum beats, fills and even drum solos. I give you access to hundreds more videos teaching you even more famous drum beats, fills and drum solos. And then over the year of your subscription, you also gain instant online access to all the new material that I upload for my members. And I record new lessons every week. So plenty of cool stuff to look forward to over the year of your subscription. But if you've got any questions about any of that, then feel free to email me, rob@drumstheword.com. And until our next drum lesson together, toodle pip and happy drumming to you.